Have you ever wondered what's really going on when you're asleep? You close your eyes, drift off, and then, what? It feels like we just waste hours every night doing nothing. But what if I told you that, while you're snoozing, your brain is actually throwing a super productive, all-night work party? It's true. And tonight, we're going behind the scenes to uncover the secret life of your sleeping brain. Let's start with a mystery. Why do we spend about a third of our lives completely unconscious? It seems like a huge waste of time, right? Well, scientists used to think so too. For a long time, sleep was just seen as a passive state, a way for the body to rest. But recent discoveries have completely flipped that idea on its head. It turns out, your brain is more active during certain stages of sleep than when you're awake. So, what is it so busy doing? Imagine your brain is like a bustling city. During the day, it's packed with traffic, people rushing around, deliveries being made, and lots of, well, trash being produced. All the thinking, learning, and feeling you do creates metabolic waste products. Kind of like brain. If this trash piles up, it can cause all sorts of problems, making it hard to think clearly and even leading to serious health issues down the line. So, how does the city get cleaned? This is where the magic of sleep comes in. Think of it as your brain's nightly cleaning crew. While you sleep, something amazing happens. The spaces between your brain cells actually expand, allowing a special fluid, called cerebrospinal fluid, to flow through and wash away all those toxic waste products. It's literally like your brain is doing the laundry, rinsing out all the dirt from the day. This process is crucial for keeping your brain healthy and functioning at its best. So, that feeling of a fresh, clear head after a good night's sleep, that's not just a feeling, it's the result of a deep brain clean. But the brain's nightly chores don't stop there. Sleep is also like having a super efficient personal librarian working inside your head. Every single day, you're bombarded with information. You learn new facts at school or work. You have conversations. You see things online. You experience different emotions. It's a lot to take in. If your brain just kept everything jumbled together, it would be chaos. During sleep, your brain gets to work sorting and organizing all these new memories. It acts like a librarian, taking all the books that came in during the day and putting them on the right shelves. Important memories, like what you studied for a test or a special moment with a friend, get strengthened and moved into long-term storage. Less important stuff, like what color shirt a stranger was wearing, might get tossed out to make room for what really matters. This is why pulling an all-nighter before an exam is such a bad idea. You might cram the information in, but without sleep, your brain doesn't get the chance to properly file it away. You're much more likely to remember things if you study and then get a good night's rest. And there's more. Sleep doesn't just clean up the past. It prepares you for the future. It helps regulate your mood, which is why you might feel grumpy or emotional after a bad night. It also strengthens your immune system, making you better at fighting off sickness. Your brain uses this downtime to solve problems. Have you ever gone to bed stuck on a difficult puzzle or a creative block, only to wake up with a solution? That's your sleeping brain connecting ideas in new and unexpected ways. It's not just resting, it's rebooting, repairing, and upgrading your entire system for the day ahead. So, sleep isn't lazy. It's not a waste of time. It is one of the most active and important things you can do for your mind and body. It's your brain's favorite superpower. It cleans, it organizes, it problem solves, and it recharges you for your next big adventure. The next time you feel that wave of drowsiness, don't fight it. Embrace it. Know that you're about to activate your brain's amazing nightly cleaning crew and personal librarian. You're giving yourself the gift of a healthier, smarter, and happier tomorrow. What do you think is the most surprising thing your brain does while you sleep? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching Eurekakids. If you enjoyed this journey into the mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another discovery. Sweet dreams.